He just wants love and affection from you.
You just want love and affection, do you?
He loves his grandma. Oh, yes, he loves his grandma.
Don't they ever treat you right? Huh? You should send me a letter and mail it to me delivery. Okay. Okay.
He loves his grandma.
We're going to have to buy a treat and bring it over to you.
I did. I brought one of the treats over that I had at the house.
Is there anything to... Oh, you're on my foot. You're on my foot. You're on my foot, baby. Thank you. Hello. Does he want to go out or something?
He's already been out. He just wants his love and affection from Grandma because he loves you so much.
No, you don't know that. Well, you do. Huh? What do you want? You want something?
Well, when they give you their...
You want something, but I don't know what it is, baby.
No, Grandma, when they give you their paw like that, that's a sign of trust. So he trusts you a whole lot.
Okay. How do you do? I like your little paw. You were going to give me the other one? Thank you. Thank you very much. You want to go outside?
He's already been out.
No. You ain't nothing for me to get him.
He's already had something.
I'm not asking you, big mouth. The woman with all the answers.
Quit it. Stop it.
What? He wants something.
Just to be a pain.
He doesn't want to be a pain. He wants
What do you want? You gotta open up thine mouth and tell us what you want. What's Grandma got? What's Grandma got? What's she got?
Say, shit, lady, I'm going to bet the whole basket now.
Look at his face.
See if you can break that. I can't even break. I can't open it. It won't open like that. Okay. Now I'm going to get told off.
This dog just really likes peppermints.